A very good evening, ladies and gents, and welcome to tonight's isolation session. Before I start, please be aware that trading is risky, in particular margin-based products such as CFD, spread bets, options, and futures, products that offer you inherently higher risk profiles than conventional dealing. Please also be aware that these signals aren't to be considered they aren't a regulated advice, because they're not a personal recommendation to you. However, Synergy must be authorized and regulated to deliver this service. Right, let's start. So obviously this is quiet time at the moment, a little bit no man's land. Markets thin volume, so they are able to move quite aggressively. So first up is a USD CAD. Let's have a look what this is saying to us. Remind ourselves where we are in this big pattern that we love to follow. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can see exactly what we want to see. So we have the first zone and the second zone of consolidation here, and we're expecting higher prices. Notice the blue harmonic here. It is here as well, but that's an ABCD, and another one here. Coming into a bit of an exhaustion point, notice the higher low. The structure, we expect price to get up to the previous peak. So this is longs only. We are long at the moment. We're long off the harmonic. A little bit early perhaps, but we did get 25 on Friday. This is a perfect setup. Let's just see what else we have. This is lovely. You've got the 2 weeks of consecutive lower lows and lower highs. 1, 2, 3 to the low. Over 3 weeks, looks really good. Close to the harmonic. We do expect prices to turn up from here. Let's just see if there's anything else to consider. Day of drop, second day of drop, third day of drop. So we are expecting this to turn around any moment in time. Pass for now. CHF JPY, this is a peak formation. As you can see, the pattern has completed level 1, level 2 peak. I'm passing on that. Now, this is one I am looking to get into. This current red candle, if it had closed at the high here, that's an entry long, because what you're seeing, first of all, you have to have a look at where you are in the larger pattern. You have to see the first, the second cycle. And up here, you can see 1, 2, this high, albeit is higher highs and higher lows. It's part of this push here, it's not clear. So you have 1, 2, and expecting a third in line with the market makers. And we are expecting price to reach the previous peak. It is one for consideration. Euro CAD, sharp move higher. And from the euro pairs, this is off the targeted entry, so it's a completely valid entry. It's still a lower high, so it's still early. It's not the sort of thing that I'm going to... We've already completed the move. Look, 1, 2, 3. It's already happened, and we've broken over the 800. It was an explosive move higher. Looks really good. Nice W. We want to see a retest, come back down. We'll keep an eye on this. AUD JPY. Right, what's it doing? So we had this. We had profit. And it's back to the high again. Where are we heading? It does look like in the previous video we spoke about that it could give us higher prices. We are in a peak formation at the moment, so we're in the peak cycle. If I can just show you what we have level 1, level 2, and we've completed this. So we are expecting this to come down. We are expecting the Japanese to strengthen as well. GBP CHF, I'm not touching it. It's come back to the lows again. This looks so heavy, and it always looks like it's a little bit uncertain on the direction of this pattern. This is level 1 consolidation after seeing level 1, level 2 peak, level 1 consolidation on the way. I'm passing though. ADNZD, Gartley pattern long, level 1 consolidation, expecting shorts. I'm not touching it. It's in the middle of the range. Pass. USD CHF, broken the low, which is crazy. Broken the low. So not only have you got the pattern level 1, level 2, 1, 2, 3 to the low. Could that be it? Maybe. Maybe. It's super aggressive. 1, 2, 3. You've got 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3 to finish it off. That's crazy. We should expect this to pick up. USD, NZD USD, hunting for the 800 EMA. Notice the pushes. Push 1, push 2, push 3. Have a look at what's in push 2. You've got push 1, push 2, push 3. Have a look here. What can you see clearly? You can definitely see 1 there, but is there 1 disguised here? It's all here to disguise and steal your money. Ultimately, this pattern, much like GBP CHF, we can't be sure that this is anchored. I'm not sure it has. Level 1, level 2, peak, level 1, expecting higher prices. If this does hold, this is a Gartley already, and we are reaching higher. It is ultimately a lower to equal high pass. CAD CHF, sorry, CAD JPY pass, peak formation, waiting for that to drop. USD JPY, same thing, peak formation pass, not trading it. CAD CHF, it did do that murder drop today, which was interesting because we have got a huge ABCD pattern that has completed on this pair. ABCD, we have now finally been given we've been given this 1, 2, 3 to the low. Something to keep an eye on the 800. Lots were long here. Pass for now. GBP AUD, now this is more like it. Expect it to come down a little bit more. That's level 1, level 2 consolidation. Trap, false against the real trend. A, B, C, D. We'll wait for that to come. I'm not trading it yet because it's like catching a falling knife pass. GBP USD moving higher. What do we see on GBP USD? We see that we're in the first zone of consolidation. High highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. We're trading within level 1 at the moment. Personally, I believe that we've seen 1, 2, and maybe this is the start. Maybe this is push 1 of 3, and this is start of push 2 of 3. Difficult to know. We are off the 800. We broke and retested. I'm not really seeing anything to commit myself to just yet, but we have had some good action, so that will pass there for now. Euro AUD, I am looking to get long on this guy. Bear with me. So Euro AUD, we are expecting longs. It may have moved before we were ready for it. We did anticipate a huge ABCD pattern. The harmonic has come in, look, level 1, level 2, expecting higher prices. The ABCD hasn't quite hit exactly yet. A, B, C, D. Bit falling knife, but look, 1, 2, 3 is so delicate, guys. Euro CHF, again, CHF pairs are taking a dive today. Let's see what we are served up, because we have to remember where we are in this massive cycle. If I can just show you. Level 1, level 2, peak formation, double bottom, expect higher prices. We need to wait for a clear turnaround to make sure we've left the peak to be safe on this one. AD CAD, this is great. This is the TP. This has had hit TP1, which is plus 50. We got in long this on the 22nd, so we got in long around here, and it's done the job for us. That's great. I mean, look at this beautiful W. Look at the structure. This is a beautiful double bottom, first zone, second zone, off the 50, where we should be, pushing higher, all good. Beautiful pattern as well, if we just reflect on where we are in the daily. Level 1, level 2, peak formation, expecting higher prices. Euro GBP, again, push 1, push 2. Is this push 3? I think this is push 1. This is push 1 of 2, push 2 of 2. So we have to be patient on this. We've got a week of rise, second week of rise has already given us the third pass for now. Gold, pushing higher. We missed this one. This is a belter, and I'm pretty pissed about it. But Christmas markets make things difficult to, market-wise, news-wise, volatility-wise. You can see the pattern. First cycle, second cycle, high highs and high lows all the way up. We saw 2 high highs and then bang, internal structure change. Look, 1, 2, bang, beautiful. AUD USD. Now we do anticipate this guy to go lower. At the moment, it's bucking the trend. Completed the harmonic today, which is really interesting. This is something that I really want to get short of. You can see the entire market maker pattern here. Level 1, level 2. Notice the ABCD in the blue. Notice the harmonic move against the trend. We're looking for shorts. Let's see how many, if there's any sequence to getting an entry here. We've seen a week, 2, 3 weeks of rise. Market must come down. Pass for now. GBP JPY, I'm not trading, so it's in a peak formation and I'm passing. Euro NZD, much like Euro AUD, we're looking for longs. Harmonics being held at the minute, A, B equals CD, expecting higher prices. Euro USD, again, another one that's difficult to get in. Moving away aggressively from the lows. So difficult to catch this one as well. But what you can see, if this is push one, push two of two, push one of two, and now we've got push two of two. See how that goes. Euro JPY, peak formation pass. AED not too sure, and pass for now. So hopefully something's going to set up quite nicely for us, but you can't guarantee things when the markets are as such. End of year activity, end of month, end of year, trickiest time to trade. But fingers crossed something pops up for tomorrow. Thanks a lot for your patience. Cheers.